Hi everyone. So I have created another chat GTP application, and we can use Grok API or LangChain API. I have created this using Grok API, and it is very fast even in local. So let me run this. So when I run this, so it opens the application in the browser. And you can see now, if suppose I'm using this, I have different models here. I can use any one of them. Let us use this one and enter the prompts. Now it will work very fast. Let's say start with the capital of India. Let me ask, what is the capital of India? So it tells capital of India is New Delhi. It is pretty fast. Now let me ask, write SQL query to join AS activity table and AS transaction table in Oracle insurance policy administration. So I enter this prompt and I get a select query. And you can see in place of activity grid or transaction grid, we have this activity ID. If I ask it to write marketing content in marketing content, so write marketing content for Oracle insurance policy administration. So it requires administration in Spanish. So it gives me in Spanish. So that is very useful. Okay. And if I ask it to give XML, write XML configuration of a policy screen in Oracle insurance policy administration. So I get a long, I mean, it tries to write screen ID, screen name. It gives a XML configuration. Okay. And which is a little different from what we do exactly, but it can be improved further, these things. But still, it is very helpful in our day-to-day activities. It can write SQL queries, it can give you marketing content, and it can also give answers to questions like how you can use upgrade utility to upgrade your WIPA from V11 to V12 and things like that.